Hi everyone, I'm Amy. Today I'm making lemon Chex. This recipe combines Chex cereal, white almond bark, lemon extract, and powdered sugar to make an easy and addictive snack. So let's get started. In a large bowl, add 9 cups of rice Chex cereal. In a microwave-safe cup or bowl, add 12 ounces of white almond bark. Now melt this in a microwave in 20 to 30 second intervals, stirring each time until it's melted. Then add 2 teaspoons of lemon extract. Now stir this together until it's well combined. Now pour this over your cereal. And then toss together until everything is evenly coated. In a jumbo Ziploc bag, add 2 cups of powdered sugar. Now place your coated cereal into the bag. Then close the bag and shake it until everything is evenly coated. Now pour out your coated cereal onto wax or parchment paper and spread it out to let it cool. And here it is, lemon Chex. And be sure to store this in an airtight container. For this recipe and many more, check out my website at amylynnskitchen.com. You can also find me on Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook. Then zip up the bag, then zip the bag. Zip the bag. Then close the bag and shake it together.